Before you sign up for Spocket, pause, because most people think all dropshipping platforms are the same. The surprising truth is that product quality and shipping speed determine whether your store survives. Spocket is a dropshipping platform that connects you with suppliers mainly in the United States and Europe. This means faster shipping times compared to overseas suppliers. Many customers receive products in under a week, which builds trust and reduces refunds. Here is how it works. You connect Spocket to your online store, choose products, and add them to your catalog. When a customer places an order, Spocket forwards it to the supplier for fulfillment. Most people get this wrong, but here's why. They focus on price instead of quality. Higher quality products mean fewer complaints and better reviews. You won't believe what happens next when customers get fast delivery. They are more likely to buy again. However, Spocket requires a monthly subscription, and the best products are on paid plans. So who should use Spocket? It is perfect for store owners who want reliable suppliers and faster shipping. It is not ideal for ultra-low budget sellers. The surprising truth about Spocket is that speed builds trust. If this honest review helped you, subscribe for more business tools insights.